And I get that. You have to choose yourself talaga sometimes because being an athlete at this level, all eyes are on you.
The pressure.
Whether you like it or not, the pressure, the expectations, lahat madaming sinasabi.
I think it was good what you were saying about Chloe. Parang giving you the importance of self-love.
Yes, pa.
You know, you gotta love yourself. You gotta do things for yourself, not do it for other people or do it for.
Totoo po. Kasi from 16 or 2013, binigay ko na po lahat. Like, syempre gusto ko makatulong sa family ko. Binuhos ko lahat doon. Basta nung 2020, parang doon ko na din na-realize na parang para sa akin naman this time. Para sa akin naman. Kasi all these years, nabigay ko naman na din para sa ibang tao. Bakit hindi ko mabigay sa sarili ko? Kasi at that time, parang medyo na 50-50 pa po ako. Kasi hindi ko alam yung world na yun yung stage na yun na mapili yung sarili ko. And hindi siya pagiging madamot. Kasi sa culture natin, parang pag pinili mo yung sarili mo, iba ka na. Sarili mo na lang iniisip mo. It's not like that. Like it's more of like giving more time and space for you na mas makapag-produce ka ng sarili mo. And ma-establish yung sarili mo. Hindi dahil, hindi ka, kahit walang Olympics, like ikaw mismo, like, pag nawala lahat, parang sino ka? Ayun din yung mga question ko sa sarili ko at that time po. Parang mawala lahat, like, Olympics, mawala siya, like, it doesn't matter as long as na mahal ko sarili ko, connected ako kay God. Actually, mas naging connected ako kay God nung dumating si Chloe talaga. Yung importance po nun na naibigay sa akin. Ayun talaga yung nag-help and feeling ko mas umukit po na maging mas mature ako sa sarili ko and how I view yung buhay ko.
Sa tingin mo, you think si Chloe was yung parang susi na sa buhay mo? You reckon for now and how everything has flourished?
Yes po. Kasi pinagdasal ko rin po siya, si Chloe. Pinagdasal ko po siya na bigyan ako ng taong tutulong sa akin. Magmamahal talaga ng totoo kahit ano yung piliin ko sa buhay. As long as hindi siya masama or hindi siya illegal. As long as nasa right path naman ako. Bigyan ako ni Lord ng guidance. And all this time siya pala yun. Siya talaga yun.
Is Chloe the one?
I was gonna say something similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, napapag-usapan?
Yeah, of course.
Talaga?
Of course. Mas kami, like, syempre hindi naman po namin nalalabas lahat sa
Of course.
social media. Of course.
But yeah, like, we're that type of couple na super open. Like, kahit like, kahit gano'n I don't know, like, kahit gano'n kahirap na conversation, kaya namin pag-usapan. Personal struggles. Kasi, siya, like, masalita po ba?
Mm-hmm.
And siya yung type ng person na magtatanong talaga na, kamusta training mo? Like, everyday yun, like, parang ako sa sarili ko, natutunan ko din na sumagot sa kanya in details.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi pag tinanong niya ako, okay lang training ko ngayon. Tatanungin niya pa ako noon na, paano okay? Kasi hindi mo pwede sabing okay lang eh.
Yeah.
Parang anong ginawa mo sa oras na to, anong ginawa mo sa event na to, na fulfill mo ba yung goal mo for today? So, mas na-structure yung pagsasalita ko din. And kung paano ako ihanda yung sarili ko na magtatanong yun si Mahal sa akin. So, kailangan.
Ano ba ginawa ko na to?
Ready ka na?
Ready na ako. Kasi pagdating ko po talaga sa place namin, tatanong talaga yan. Hello, Baba, ganun. Kamusta ka? Kamusta training mo? kamusta yun? Ano naramdaman mo? Okay ka lang ba? O anong next step? Yung mga ganun po. So, siya din na-help niya ako to help myself also and to learn and mas makilala yung sarili ko sa ginagawa ko nang aware ako. Kasi nasasabi ko siya in full details eh. And ano ko siya.
Na-assess mo yung day mo.
Boyfriend ko po siya.
You know what? There's a strength and a weakness with Australians. We talk too much. You know what? We don't ask just one question.
Yeah.
So if it's, how's your car? What color is the car? What engine does it have? Anong pistons? They go details talaga. We just talagang walang tigil-tigil.
Yeah.
Pero may essence dyan. They really want to know the finer details kung kumusta ka talaga. Kaysa sa yung mababaw lang na surface level na kumusta.
Yeah.
You know, they really want to go in depth. And then, i-assess nila kung paano nila maitulong. Right? And I think, does Chloe speak Tagalog fluent or anything?
Opo, sobrang...
So she does. So walang language barrier kayo?
Wala po.
Oh, maganda yun.
Taga Nueva Ecija po kasi siya. So yung punto po, sobrang lakas ng punto po niya. Parang hindi siya pumunta ng Australia.
Ang galing. Pero may Australian accent siya.
Meron.
Pag nag-English na.
Especially
pag
may kausap na Australian
conversation, mas lumalabas po doon.
Pero well, I'm not married.
Yes, not yet.
Not yet. Yeah. But ako, when people ask me for advice, I really say it's communication. Kasi yung mga, okay lang ako, I'm good, I'm fine. Ano yan dadating sa punto na sasabog ka na lang eh. And as soon as you can talk about the smallest things, the healthier the relationship is talaga.
No, I agree. Because honestly, like, I wouldn't be the married man that I am now or be where I am in this life without my wife. And she was the one who was the backbone of our relationship. Kahit hindi siya yung nasa limelight. Ako yung nasa limelight. Pero siya talaga deserved to be in the spotlight because she made me do this. She parang hindi naman persuaded. She just voiced your opinions. Love, maybe you can do this. Bob, you can do this. Babe, you can. And then, you know what? It makes sense. Kung talagang naging equal siya. And the results come out and shows, yun na yun.
Hindi kailangang clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.